Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. Today I'm going to be showing you my daily routine for when I'm like in a rush and I have like 5 to 10 minutes to get ready. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Wet n Wild Gloss Correct. Just a tiny little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. And I just want to do it very soft, but also want my eyebrows to look like I put some effort into them. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Day to Night palette, which looks like this. And I'm going in with like a warm brown. Let's put it here. Darker brown. It's kind of like a highlighter. Just add some in the middle. Then go back in with the brown to warm it back up. I'm going to use this brown eyeliner, and this is by Wet n Wild. I'm going to place them in my waterline, but I like so to create a little wing. Ow. I'm going to get a brush like this, and I'm going to blend it out a little bit. So it looks a little bit smoky. I'm going to get my eyelash curler. I'm going to be using my Voluminous Million Lash Mascara. Make sure you swirl it around and pop it out. Lip gloss or lip balm. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild concealer. This just suddenly became a Wet n Wild enough video. I'm going to apply some there. Down here where I have my scars. Blend it out. A little concealer goes a long way. Now I look more awake. I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to prime something my face a little bit just so I can have that little kind of glow. I'm going to go ahead and get my e.l.f. bronzer, glowy, if that makes sense. Same brush, and I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Cosmetics Hello Kitty blush. This is one of my favorites, guys, so I'm going to be using e.l.f. setting spray. And I'm just going to put like one spritz. Literally, that's enough for me. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.